Hello guys, today Hamster combat is not working properly. Most of the players are currently facing this issue. It creates so many confusions among the player. Some players believe they have been banned and some are even labeling this project as scam. However, what's really going on? It could be a server outage or perhaps the development team is working on new updates. This could require server maintenance. Don't worry about your account. Your progress is safe. I have attempted various solutions such as updates and clearing the cache, unaware of the underlying issue. My advice to everyone is to remain calm and patient.